Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Flip 6 and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. To do that, open Google Chrome application or settings, something would have more information than you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll something. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. And after that we put this first button, and when we push it, we're adding more information and creating a very long screenshot. When we have all we need, we stop push it, and that's all. We have our long screenshot, which we can save in our gallery right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!